Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best matching outfit set for boys and their little siblings. Introducing the Tstars. Did we just become best friends? Matching set. Designed perfectly for big brothers and their little brothers or sisters. This adorable duo consists of a kid's shirt and a baby bodysuit, making it an ideal choice to celebrate the special bond between siblings. What stands out right away is the quality of the fabric. Both pieces are made from 100% cotton, ensuring that they are soft, breathable, and comfortable for everyday wear. Whether it's a warm summer day or a cooler season, these outfits maintain a casual yet cozy fit that suits both active toddlers and newborns. The design is simple but heartwarming. The front print boldly asks, "Did we just become best friends?" Which perfectly captures the joy and excitement that comes with welcoming a new sibling. This is not only a fun outfit for casual wear, but it also makes an excellent gift for families celebrating a new addition, whether for baby showers, birthdays, or just a sweet surprise. Durability is key when it comes to kids' clothing, and Tstars has put a lot of thought into the printing technique. The graphics are applied using high-quality methods like direct-to-garment or screen printing, ensuring the designs last through multiple washes without fading or cracking. This means the outfits stay looking fresh and vibrant, wash after wash. The baby bodysuit features convenient design elements such as an expandable lap shoulder neckline and snap closures at the bottom, making diaper changes quick and hassle-free. For the older child, the t-shirt offers a standard fit that is neither too tight nor too loose, ideal for active play. Made and printed locally in the USA, this set supports quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. You can choose from a variety of colors, all in solid tones that complement the bright and playful print. Overall, the Tstars. Did we just become best friends? Matching sibling set perfectly combines comfort, durability, and a meaningful message. It's a wonderful way to showcase sibling love and make memories through coordinated outfits that kids and parents alike will enjoy. If you're looking for a stylish and thoughtful way to dress your kids for family photos, outings, or just everyday fun, this matching set is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews and recommendations.